Okay, so hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Igor in Canada. Going for a walk, and I decided to share my story about my life, what was happening last month. I didn't want to share it, but since I got the good news, I can share it now. Holy crap, it's so windy here. Boy, taking my kitty for a walk. You see, he's not happy now, but hopefully by the end he's gonna be happy. About 6 weeks ago, guys, I had MRIs, 2 different ones with the contrast for my back and then other things, which suggested for me to go take CT scan because they found something what they described as cancer, but they wasn't sure. They were not sure which cancer is it. Blood cancer, lymph cancer, bone cancer, or any other cancers hiding. Because they found what they saw, whatever it was, what you call stage 4 cancer, when you have the spread out all over the body. Something they had that, if I remember, I'll tell you what they call it. And so they suggested CT scan. I waited for a CT scan for about a little over a month. And CT scan is good. No cancer, but they found some more broken little bones, which is not terminal. I'm gonna get better. I don't have to look at the cemetery and think, probably soon I'll be there. You know what, for the last months, because I talked to many doctors, I went to a specialist, urologist, I asked about something about him, he says, oh, well, you have to take care of some other things, you have something else, don't worry about this little thing. We have waiting list about 8 months, not sure if you're gonna make it until then. And I was kinda, seriously? You think I'm terminated to live less than 8 months? My blood results don't show any cancer, anything else doesn't show anything. Just contrast MRI showed something in my body that they don't know what. Even the guys from WCB stopped bothering me. And now one guy wants to see me again. Not sure for what, but he doesn't know my positive result about that stuff. Oh, maybe he got my CT scan from North Dakota, which doesn't show any cancer there. So hopefully they got it from the hospital when I was there. But it's kind of interesting. They already look at me as a future dead man. No specialist for my back, no other issues. Let's deal with this first, let's see what's happening with you here. You know? It is what it is. I went to Pan Clinic this morning. My doctor told me to go there, check in with the need referral. And guess what? I went there and I need referral. And the lady sent me to a different office without referral. But I have to wait another month to see a specialist for my back. See, here in Canada is waiting game. Waiting, and then they prioritize you. Guys, remember I told you about my ultrasound scheduled on December 12th, urgent. And I phoned the hospital today and said, listen guys, urgent, how long does it take? Oh, we take urgent. I says, really? How about me? Oh, for you it's another 8 months. I've been waiting for ultrasound for my thyroid for 6 months now, and they say another 8 months, so it's about 14 months waiting for a thyroid ultrasound. And I'm waiting in St. Boniface Hospital here in Winnipeg. Isn't it something? It says urgent. Well, this is my first time walking to the mall, not taking my car. We'll see what happens. Oh, bus let me go, let's see. I normally drive here. A lot of traffic here. Almost made it. 16 seconds to go. Have to wait to cross this way now. Here is Walmart and the mall. Nice weather, a little windy. That's not bad. I'm walking fast, so it's not cold at all. A little windy. It doesn't take long to get here. You know, guys, what relief I had? Even I didn't believe them that I maybe have cancer, but still, if doctors treat you that way, and you think, well, they better know something, they went to school, they learned things, why would they suggest they just don't know which one I have? And I don't have any cancer. I have a little bit of a thyroid cyst and pancreatic little cyst there, but it's still very little. Trying to see if I can do something, use some natural waves, use something cleansing, see, to get rid of those little cysts there. But it's not stage 4 cancer. I can't believe it. Yes, I'm good, and I have a great news, which I never kind of doubted about that I'm good. But once in a while I'm saying, because every day I drive to by the cemetery there, and I just kind of look at that and feel the energy there. So feels dead. Maybe I'll be there soon, but I lived enough, so maybe it's okay. Maybe the God's will for me to die soon. Maybe not. Oh yeah. You know, life in limbo, I don't know what to say. I wasn't trying to show off that I'm a little concerned, but I was, be honest with you. At any age, not many people looking forward to die. I guess some of them maybe. So I can definitely start planning my future now. I'm looking for a different place to live. I don't want to waste my money for rent. But before I do that, I need to know what my management's thinking about me, about my job. Again, maybe till June, or maybe later, who will tell me if I can drive truck or not, or I have to be retrained for something else. Yeah, I completely stopped exercising, quitting the gym, but I'm still doing my physio light exercises, and my physiotherapy is expired. So we'll see after my specialist appointment what they're gonna tell me, what I'm gonna do. They have a big physio, it's a big clinic, deals with injuries. I'm inside the mall now. It's quite quiet here. Not many people. I got a free ticket for Lotto Max, and today is my official birthday, May 7th, which I don't celebrate, but I buy sometimes a lottery ticket for this day. We'll see. If I can find a lottery booth, I'll buy a ticket. You know, I realized that health is the most important in your life. When I was looking at those millions of dollars of lottery tickets, and thinking, oh, if I win, but on the other hand, if I have to live another 4 or 5 months, what kind of benefits gonna be used? Or maybe I can get expensive treatment on the bright side or something else, but different thoughts came to my head, but now I would be happy to win some, to retire and have a happy life. And I have my nails done with the drink here, maybe pedicure as well. See? But life is a beautiful thing. Even if I'm a little in pain, I will enjoy this pain forever. Try not to enjoy it, try to get rid of it, but still, better than that, What's here? London drug. Oh, they have lottery tickets there? Oh, they have somewhere, maybe. Cashier. Showcase. I'll check inside the store here. Yeah, I just got myself a ticket. I had 3 tickets and I purchased extra ones. Who knows? Maybe. I'm good. I'm happy. More than happy. I can have plans, I can have life, I can travel. I have no doubts. The only thing I don't know about the job, but I don't have to drive truck. I can work as a dispatch, maybe safety department, maybe something else. We'll see what WCB will offer to me. In the worst case scenario, if they throw me out, I'll probably have to sign up for Uber driver. That's what it is. And I'll be looking for a place to live. I don't want to waste $1,400 almost a month now. $1,375. Rent increased. So I'll rather pay towards something, and maybe if I'm past, I'll leave it to my kids. Even the properties don't grow much, but here I cannot give anything now because I'm renting. And I'm not very happy where I am. So, how is my cat? Does he look happy? Yeah, looks grumpy as I'm old, but I'm happy. See ya. I'll be walking back with the wind to those 2 white buildings over there, where I live. Quite a bit, about 2 kilometers. And I'm almost back at my traffic light. Yes, I made another traffic light. And I guess I'm gonna go a big circle. I don't go big circle. I came from there, and I will go around there. Well, I just crossed the road here towards the school because I see kids in helmets playing American football. Or practicing, I'll see. They practicing here. Different teams, different moves. Hey guys, I was joking around with my son about it. Says, hey man, I'm gonna look good in coffin. Look at me. For this age, doesn't look like I'm sick at all. But I guess I'm not sick. Joke for the day. See you later guys.